Hello beautiful people, you are welcome back to this channel once again. Today I want to show you one secret oil to grow your hair massively. This is very good. Which oil is that? Coffee oil. We have different type of coffee, but you can use any coffee, powder coffee, instant coffee, or any coffee. This is the coffee I'm using today. So I'm using coffee with rosemary. It's very good for your hair growth. It's going to grow your hair massively. Your hair is going to grow with this oil, and your hair is going to be strong and healthy. This is very good. What you need to do is to put your hot water on the gas and take your coffee, any coffee you have, okay, is very good for it. Okay, so what I do after putting the coffee inside the plate, I take my coconut oil and my flower oil, sunflower oil, add it to the coffee and add coconut a little bit to it. This is going to help your hair to grow. This is a secret that you cannot see, that nobody cannot, that somebody can tell you. This is very good. You put it in the gas. You are just going to be waiting for it to be hot. Just that. After I had rosemary to eat, because rosemary is very good for your hair growth. You see the water is boiling, and I left it like almost 45 minutes there, just to be rubbing, just to be hot. So I remove it after 45 minutes, and I'm with a low heat. Okay, so now I'm going to be sieving it. All the nutrients, everything has gone inside, guys. This is very good. Your hair is going to grow crazy. It's going to grow massively. It's going to grow with this coffee oil and rosemary oil. You are not going to miss out, guys. You just try it, and don't use it for one day and said it's not working. You have to use it for like 2 months and see. So you see, there is no shaft. I have to pour it in my applicator bottle. With this bottle, I applicate it in my hair. It's very good. You don't need to spend too much money on your hair routine. With everything in your kitchen, you can do it. So after that, I'm going to be massaging it all over the hair. You just massage it. You can cut your hair the way you like to apply something on your hair. Just apply it that way, or you rub it all together like that. You massage it all over. Let them penetrate. So you don't need to rinse it out. This is good. You will not even be smelling of coffee. You are going to love it. Just try it out. Tag me on it. You are going to love it. Just try it out. So now I'm applying it all over, just massaging it. Taking time to massage it. I massage it all over the skull, because it's very important. It takes away a lot of toxins in your hair, dandruff and all. Try it out and tag me with it. Thank you. Subscribe if you have not, and share. Bye. Subscribe, like, press the notification bell so that you will be the first to know anytime I upload. Bye bye.